Guys, this is Maddie, and Maddie found me on the TikTok, and she is just so cute. I want to put her in my pocket. She's so adorable. Anyway, so we started her off with a crystal gel because, I don't know, we had a consult, and for some reason, I missed the fact that she applied black box color to her hair twice about a year ago. So guys, just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's still not there. Pigment is really just a crazy player in the game when we're trying to go lighter. So you're going to see a couple of those spots here and there throughout the video, and I actually pointed out in a further one. So here I'm applying all of her nape area, and I'm doing different kinds of, we'll call them stitches on the hair or weaves. So here I'm using like a 2-stitch, and sometimes I will do a really fine weave like right here. And then sometimes I'll do like a full slice with a teasy light. And I alternate that to get different looks in the hair. Now I am going to color melt this at the end, but I'm just doing it to blur the line a little bit. And I don't want it super close to the scalp because I want her to have a rooted type of effect on her hair so she doesn't have to come in all the time. So I am going to go ahead and place in all of her hairline foils to give her that bright money piece around the hairline. That's just going to look so beautiful. And we are going to go ahead and do a teasy light behind a couple of weaves. Sometimes I'll do like tease slice weave. I do all kinds of different stuffs in diagonal backs. You guys have to play around with your technique. So right there, there's that black box dye. Can you see it? It's still there, even though she thought it was gone. It's not. It will always be there until it grows out. And natural hair lifts so much easier than pigmented hair. So I'm going to go ahead and use an acidic gloss to just blur the lines and then tone the ends with a little bit of just a neutral color because she doesn't want ashy hair. Not everybody wants ash hair, and here it is. Here's the final. So it's a little bit warm just because of the residual black box color, but she doesn't mind it, and she looks so cute, and it's a process, guys. So thanks for watching.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.